Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I've got this door bowl thing. I'll show you what it does or what it looks like. But for now, I just picked this up and I'm just going to show you what it looks like for now. And I've already attached 3 of the 4 doors. It looks pretty good. I kind of like it. So if you can see in the reflection, it says all new Corolla there. It's actually not very visible from the outside. I've seen there's 2 different versions of this. So one has like a rubber sticker here where it actually says Corolla, and then it's more visible. But I've had experience with those rubber stickers and they only tend to last for maybe a couple weeks if you leave it outside, sometimes up to maybe 2 months, depends on your weather. So I just went with this one. Actually, I don't really care that it says Corolla there. I would prefer that it was just a plain blank thing. But if you are interested, you could get something like this, and then if you really like that it says Corolla, I guess you could get like a paintbrush or something and then paint this in, and it'll be more visible when you actually stick it on. And like I said, these things probably would work better with lighter cars, just because then it's more visible. If you have a black car, then probably it would be quite pointless. Anyway, so it sticks on with just double-sided tape. It's very easy. When you stick it on, you just have to make sure that you lift your door handle just a little bit, and then you can just slide this right in. I'm going to show you what it looks like, and it's going to be a very short video. Like I said, when you apply these things, you make sure you clean off your surface, make sure there's no wax, use alcohol, wipe down the body of the car or the area of the car, and when you remove the double-sided tape, make sure you heat it up. Like I said, I've been using this torch that I picked up from Harbor Freight. I still can't find my Lowe's thing that I picked up for just a couple of dollars. Like I said, you don't even have to use this. You could just use a plain lighter, although this is really easy because I'm doing this outside of the open area and there's a lot of wind, and this thing is pretty wind resistant, so this really helps a lot. And like I said, it just heat it up, go around all the adhesive areas just so that it sticks well. It's also better to do this in a warmer temperature. Today's a really nice warm day, so usually it takes about 24 hours to settle in with the heat that's applied here. Anyways, so let's go outside and let's just take a quick look, and then you can see what it looks like, see if it's something that you guys might be interested in getting, or it might be something that you're not interested in getting. Okay, so I'm just going to show you the passenger side since I've already done it. You know, I've also done this one too. So that's what it looks like. So from an angle. So I think it looks alright. From this angle. That's that one there. So I think it looks, like I said, it looks alright. I can't even remember how much I picked this up for. Maybe about a little under 20 bucks, something like that, for 4. And like I said, there's 2 different versions. One with the rubber sticker, and then this kind of knurled looking thing here. They also have this in chrome if you went with the chrome door handles to make it matching, or you don't even need the door handles. You could just do this portion and just leave your original door handle too. So anyways, I'm gonna stick this on. I'm gonna put up a photo of what the final product looks like as the thumbnail. And anyways, like, share, and subscribe, guys. I'll be doing my headlights hopefully today, and I'm going to show you how to get that installed too. All right, see you guys.